How did you learn? Kachime.
Kachime ale. Then the father nyam no yora, father nyam no yora. Nala yora father. Yore legacy tore.
Yoda.
Ale father's day celebrate jeme didn't the.
How do you know?
Ale ya. Didn't hamo garji. Didn't hamo khasang during father's day class yore la dida. Didn't hamo garji. What you did today during father's day? Is didn't hamo garji.
IDK.
Didn't hamo garji lada.
Cholo tikere.
Ale chulo doi me ya. Balchen ko molesra. Chenzo di Tibetan speaking shido. Di chenzo improve ji minuta shido. Reading improve dora. Too much improve in reading, but not in Tibetan speaking, Tibetan language. The way you guys speaking. Chenzo ra Tibetan language la kija mas shodo da hosen. Kude ya chenzo kija mangpo shia lo. Chenzo di Tibetan language la chenzo di speaking la improvement me la nga samsam training de dange. I think they bored in my class is not helpful to them. I think like that sometime. Chenzo di Tibetan language kija shia la improvement jogo da hosen. It get clear? Yeah, that thing the father's take or the dara. The picture kashi tin shaimba. Can you guys see clearly, picture on my screen?
Yeah.
Okay, very nice. The happy Father's Day to the law English regular. Father's Day is there. Who made Father's Day?
Fathers.
Father's Day is there. Father is there.
Yeah. Appa's
Appa is there. Then the gism hago re. Then the Father's Day first discover jiggin sure.
No, ma.
How much say? Ale. Ta ngatu chik tayanda da Father's Day discover si jere ngatu tayanda. I see you my screen, okay.
Jesus jire.
Jesus is jere da check jenda internet check jenda za. Da lo Father's Day si discover jedu lana. The Senoro smart dot lash dog who invented Father's Day, where there's at least 2 or 3 different people created with the honor. The Senora smart dot lash dog of Washington Restaurant, Koresh. Gary J. Lana have proposed to hold in 1910. Too early that they discovered chicken dish. Sonora smart dot of Washington Restaurant. Cosa? Clear, huh? Clear chastra. Quite discouraged the. Yeah, the Tibetan language la the palala apa laura. Apa means palara. Day ninmore means day. Somebody means wishing, right? So ape ninmore somebody shu lagi raso. Che lo singora. Che during as a class timedara, during as a lesson me, kenzo the Father's Day ra, then board chegre. When I was in school, same like that. When there's Father's Day or Teacher's Day, they are taking class, so I feel it's too bored in class. So I think you guys are same now, right? Yeah. Teaching chera. Then Father's Day chera. Oh yeah. Dilo da. Then she don't dilo da ngala. Did she get lonely?
We are all so busy growing up, we often forget that they are also growing old. Take care of your parents.
Kalash, what it means? We are very busy growing up ladwa. We often forget they are also growing old ladwa. Take care of your parents. We often like often laura kinda often like the often alone has then chesangi. We often write this one. Yeah, then chesang the decision then chesang. Can you explain this? Then chesang yes no.
What?
Can you explain this to me?
Oh, okay. Okay.
Virgil try to speak in Tibetan language, okay? Virgil like try also. We are so busy growing up, we often forget they are also growing old. Take care of your parents. Kallar.
Mm.
Yekinda the reason gar ahoy during the class here on jana. Tang yekinda deal up here garjin lanara. Study only is not enough. Study chipo unit tumor with that we should learn behaviors, good manners, how to care to our parents, how to obey to them, how to kind-hearted, how to help others. Then 참아라 장고를 하소. Then behavior ra, 야구 manner ra, 제pa 독자였나? 라 behavior 독자였나 라 결혼 이기신의 loss is useless. With study, you should also improve your manners. Also, okay. 야, then 수상한 디지게다. Then 수상, we are waiting okay. 야, then 수상인다.
I don't know.
나다. 시 디지게, 가 뮤직 디지게도 되기도. 수신규에 디지게 되기도. Is anyone else who can explain this to me? 야, 시 디지게. Then pasana then drone me ya then drone 디지게다 갈래도 디 갈라시.
No. What's Chunju chason and the chumbo chayo and the bala and amada game chayo and the take care of your parents.
Okay, then drone pay avlasra gallalana. Te gallashta. We are so busy growing up, right? We are growing up very fast. Nganzo dangbo라 nganzo ganisro dangbo nganzo body ganis yore lanra de. First we are same like this, right? Dangbo nganzo dido yora. From here, both parents, today especially Father's Day, father, they take care, and now we became like this. See here, I can see all on the screen, right? So because of parents' love and care, we became like this, right? So dila galla idilanara. Nganzora chimbo chaila busy yoresra nganzo exercise jore school dore changma chimbo chaila busy jedera. But we should understand with that our parents also getting old and they are getting near to death, right? Getting near to pass away. So we should take care of them. Kose? Nganzo chimbo chegyora dinyamdura palama gengo chegyorda. They becomes old. We are getting older, but parents also getting old. So we should take care to our parents. Now get clear, huh? Clear chason. Yeah, di nara. Dine next enda. See here. Karnataka means one state in India. Okay, now we are in this state, Karnataka, right? Man holds umbrella as daughter attends online class on roadside and amid heavy rains. Photo goes viral. See here. Here, this one is father. He also getting wet, right? It's heavy raining here. See here. He also getting wet, but see he hold he has umbrella on his hand, but that umbrella do not using for himself. He using that umbrella for his daughter because his daughter is taking online class in roadside. So it shows that fathers are always like this. They are too much taking care to daughters and sons, right? Their sons. So it shows like that. Also, pala ganis dura de pala gi de khurong lamba chido. He also getting wet, but umbrella using for his daughter. Thongso, di chikchera. Ngal dilo da, tenu pasang dilo da. Tenu
The
pasang di
world
gal
you are, Dad. To our family, you are the world.
galar. Tenu pasang galar. What it means?
Mm, in the world, he's a dad, but if he, with for us, he's our world.
What it means?
It's
To our
important.
family,
It's
you are the
important for
world.
us. To the world, he's very small, but to us, he's very big for us. He is very important for us.
Okay, then chedan pe yabulasra. Then chedan pe yabulasra yesra. To the world you are dead, right? To others he is a dead, he is a father. But to family, he's a world means he's everything, right? He's everything. He love you also. Yeah, did dig the then Father's Day, didn't Father's Day on this Saturday, the fathers how fathers are taking care to daughters, how to see how we should take care to our parents. See here, here second picture, right? It shows that see mother is sleeping on the leg of her kid, right? So it shows that mom taking care to us is not enough, but we also should take care to our moms. It shows like that. See, the little kid is taking care to her mom, right? So it shows like that. This is a good message. Now here, the the mind test and also mind concentration. The picture latara, they take knowledge from the pictures. Picture latara, ngalla. The picture they gotta show the here. The puchi iPhone, the Apple got the chik nyadeshra. Tapes nyade do. The pu the garji do. The jablo pu the garji do. Ngala michik lada. Tinjil hamo the pu the garji do.
Khala zairo
Khala gawan is segido.
wala.
Langana ya segido.
Oh,
This little Dibugudra Lapala Garanyadishan Apple tape Nyadeda Dibugudra Kala Gawan Segidulan from the roadside, from the dustbin Nana Kala Zadeda. What it means? Tigalido. What this picture shows?
it shows that
See, wait a minute, okay. See, these kids de la push door. Lapala tape Nyadeda door. This is you guys, okay. You guys are on this situation now. We all are on this situation. But some are in this situation. Also, that the picture the girl like though. The picture what it means, what this picture telling us. Lada,
ala chede.
la sila na tigre.
The picture on the thing is chick bua tabla and bisha mambo simba bua bisha yomari chicken khala so das ban legirwa ani di simba bu khala la mi ama apa zogido ni simba khala bu simba khala
Yeah, then lama pay apula. Then lama girl like the we have money to eat or to buy something, but some kids have no money for food, no money for clothes, no house to sleep. Nothing is there. So deal like your picture la. Then chana la. Then chana chik la is la da. La ya. Palchen kombo. Then chana kyo si anyi chik la da. The picture di kari message take do anzala. The picture sto. The message kari take do. Palchen kombo la da. The picture the garlic though. What this picture shows? Listen, okay, I will tell you. This kids is I think it's like us, right? We are we have food for eat, we have house to keep, we have mobile or tab for use it, right? But some kids are there, many kids are there around the world, especially in Africa, right? Africa, many kids are there, nothing is there for them. No food, no mobile, no clothes, no house, like that. So it shows that we should help them. To the Langala, to the beggar Tonye, can you guys have been see beggars on the roadside?
Yes,
Tonyo.
Lots of times.
Then you guys help them or you guys give something to them? Correct, yeah. Tambongala tenu chosan la, tenu chosan correct. What do you give to beggars? He special long in the lagarti.
Money.
Money gazette.
$30.
Okay, take money gazette na take money tewa chamni pay up also. He gave money is too much. There's no less or more. He gave it is too much. It's very good. Pay up ra. Then person gazette.
Food.
Food very good. Then chosan na then person pay up help jigdo. Beggars help jigdo is very good. Then person ko magarji.
$1.
Person magarji.
$1.
$1, right? Then chosan na person ko chikpare pesha $1 in la song very good. Then done? Then done gardi. Kwe langala dodi beggar ra pesha longen thom mambo thong song. Then done. Then kwe roba jeme help jeme desal help j la song. Then gardi kwe. How you help them? Correct?
Food and money.
Okay, ra khala dang ulte in las ra very good. Kesan sonam? Kesan sonam help jeme beggar din sala.
Yeah,
What you gave them? Gave to them?
money.
Money, very nice. Okay, tenzin kisum dang di tenzin dawe dang tenzin dira kare. Tenzin lamo kyunso karji. Okay, ra khala trade mostly ra kyunso food trash ra. Tene dollar. Okay, clothes they test ra. Whatever this picture shows that we should help to the poor people, right? We should help to the poor people. We should give food who need food. We should give money who need money, right? Tilagyo dasong. Whatever we should help to beggars. Ngazo mi kyo dinzala ropa jegor hausen. Kude clear ah? Okay, pay agora. Yigi chipo shingra study only is not enough. Okay, with that we also should learn about the manners, good manners also. Chipo yagu mena. Then lobjong shina ra useless reda also. Yeah. The second picture da dangal. Tenzin da jeda. Tenzin da the second picture latest to ngal lo da.
This kid
Please.
is maybe poor by status, but he is definitely rich by heart.
Color. Tenzin da color. The picture the color the letter the meaning gare. Tell me meaning of these letters, these words. Then if you are wrong, no matter, just try. Shurang kaze shingyo la gamer, non gamer da also.
Okay.
Lada
Kunzu cholo ne kunzu besha yamade ba.
yes, very nice. Then this one.
Ani kunzu like happy yade cause
Very good, ra. Pay up, ra. Very nice. Very. Then the pay up explain chest, ra. Chilo ne ra. Kunzo the pesha yomare ra, khala sa yomare ra. clothes mindo clothes that day clothes is too dirty or too old, right? The door. But see here. Cause back na kare do. Puppy door. But he is caring a lot to puppy. He's giving food to puppy, right? Helping to puppy, right? So what it means? Kalaido. Physical the is useless. Okay, physical actually if even you have money or clothes or everything, but if you are not kind-hearted, if you are not a good person, it's useless. How so? Chinzara pesha yena dollar yena re ra clothes yena re ra house yapu yena re sama useless ra also useless is actually sema sangbo mena kind hearted mena useless re kere kherong with all this you are kind hearted is very good also so kind hearted or helping to others who need it is very important ra dilag your da also clear cha se everyone get clear 거쳐서 tension 거쳐서 빼야 구라 Dini next picture to end data the same rido. The garji dada. Partner garji do. What these two kids are doing here? Tell me teni gisum lada. Teni gisum.
Kiri bandage kakido.
Bandage chido ra. Di bandage kar dido khola. Bandage garji ka gore?
Kiri color wounded.
Yes, yeah. Kid macha ra. One la na malagyo ra. One la malagyo. Di garji that the girl at last girl she's helping right. See how they are poor. See on their face, see on their clothes, see how they are weak. Kunzo khala yabu rege mara, they do not get food on time. We get 3 times in a day, right? Everything we want, we get it, but they get nothing. No food, no clothes, no school for their study, no parents for caring to them. But see, they are caring to others, right? So it shows that we should help to others, right? Okay, very nice. And then see here. Ngara di lo da. Then sul passing mo lo da ngara di lo da passing mo lo da. Passing mo read this. This lo di lo da.
Everyone deserves this kind of friendship.
Kala do.
Sunny's like has friendship.
Oh, kala la da.
Ah,
Oh, the picture picture the kala the what it shows what message giving to us.
someone
See here on picture, okay. See here on picture. There are double chick to he have no legs. There are double they actually consume got double at our song. The consume double in a double chick la kangwamindo. He is one of their friend, he has no leg, right? But they both have leg. They both have leg, right? See here, we can see right. But when they are playing but when they are playing that they have no legs. What it means? What it shows?
so they're playing along.
Oh, lada. Oh, lada. Oh, degree, yeah.
So 미직 강바요 말아 아니
Oh,
신바니 우리 학원도 강바요 말니 미칸지를 미저 same thing je Gangbaiomana because the put mao the patch Gangbaiomana then Sony ni Gangba ni doa but
No.
Gangba ji kanji la ni Gangba ji ji हमारे church ji khande yakore ni jo kanji na
Okay, then 한번 빼고 라스타라. 천상마 천서 마인드셋지 also mind think okay. 천서라 뒤로가 아니라 example 랭싱 걸다 와서 example 랭 마시느라 되네 천서 brain라 useless 체다질라. Whenever before you study you should think too much. If you think too much your brain will improve and you can think more when you become older okay. Whenever you are playing game you should play game like there's very too much confusion. 하우스 게임 뒤로 제어다 3년 동안 뭐 이기도 와 대소 게임 제어라 하우스 다 델 픽처를 따라 델라라 픽처를 따라 아주 디 메시지 뭐를 돼 애드바이스 뭐를 될라 진짜 수라 디펜 아이디어 술래 라당알라 픽처를 따라 디펜 아이디어스 라다 델라단라 what advice they giving to us tell me okay game 인도라 야 뜻은 전에
Be nice to others.
okay tên trốn pe yakula ta nge laura I wanna say tên hamala tên trốn pe yakula stara the punish do question is that why they bend their leg question is that actually they can play with their both legs right but why they bend their both legs garjin relanera if they play with their both legs kunjora kampo khronso kampani ka tsuma tsewa enna is he will feel comfortable huh yes no silence yes not la ngala 계속 콘이라 깡바니가 냠도 찌느라 if they play with both legs is he feel comfortable or not
Yes.
he feel comfortable no right 디 가르진 렐란다 콘이라 깡바니가 코 feel set 치라고 ngala 깡바민도 I have no legs but they all have if I also have legs and I can play like them he will think like that right 라 그들이 코니 깡바니가 냠지나 ngala 깡바 민도아 nga 깡바 연나라 니니 코도 제모제 라니 코 삼코라 feel set 치라 제장 they are very clever right his friend they are very clever and they are taking care too much to him right so see how they are playing it means what it means you should care to your friends as much as you can 고생 최소하지라 is your friend Tibetan or Western 편서 조금 배발에 마셔 조금씩 배발에 치게래
마루파 참아 베바레
배발에 된나무 배발에 시라 된진 최상
Most of them are from America.
아메리카래 야야 되더라 된된 봐서
America.
American restaurant America 조금 차이 말다 America is country right so America 네 조금 America in like more the American right American 라라 빠진 건뭐 빠진 건뭐 그래 최저 조금의 American Tibetan Tibetan restaurant 되는 기술 나가라 되는 다야라다 되는 다야 계산 쓰는 라가라 계산 쓰는 라다 is your friend Tibetan or American
Everything.
yeah mixed restaurant 되는 다야라다
Except kebab.
Kare tene dayo komas.
Ba.
Pepare restaurant. Ya tigdura. Chundo mixed restaurants. Somewhat kashikaji pepper restaurant. Somewhat American dish. But all are same, right? American or Tibetan, but they all are human. Chundura. Nga chundura question chigiyodara. Black color kaji human yora. African is mostly black color, right? American are white color and African are mostly black color, right? So we should not differentiate them with colors, right? Basically, they all are human, right? Masu samno kan tang orlan ra. Ko he is black color, so he is different. I am white color, so we are different. Ra, he is Tibetan, he is different. He is American, he is different. Din lai marta. If you think like this, it's too bad. Also, what we should think is we all are same. We all are human, right? We should think like this, okay? We all are same. There's no differentiate like American, African, Tibetan, all these are right. So we should think all are same human being, right? Kosen? Yeah, next one da. Tita da, digar jido. Nala di dilo da. Tenzin sulasa. Tenzin dwene lo da.
Be kind to animals.
Then
They are better than humans.
humans. What it says? What it means?
Also, animal the butcher and then the animal the also the better than us.
Yeah. Di lagi dura. Animals like care yapute ores. Animal like care genera. They will also care to us, so they are better than humans. It's the same your dara. Also human desolara. Care gena. Sometimes they feel angry. Sometimes they fight that, but animals are not like that. If we care to them, they will also love us. They will keep with us. They will play with us, right? Care, huh? So it shows we should care to animals also. Hold on. Yeah. Dangan next to the next ngala dillo the music dillo the ngala that di ngala dillo. Tin basang lo da. Tira di tango twister re da so tango twister re. Tin basang di chok po lo. Try to read in fast, okay.
I feel a funny feel. I feel if you feel the feel. I feel if I feel the you feel.
Then 세상 라 medium loss 타라. then basang medium loss be ab loss ra. Dangala slow way lanera. Then 세상 로다. Next then 계산 소나민다. Then 세상 딜로다.
I feel a feel, a funny feel, a funny feel, I feel. If you feel the feel, I feel it. If you feel the few feel.
Then 세상 디나를 feel 레다. Then 세상 I feel 레다. Then 세상 갈래다. Then 세상 참마 feel 레다. Then 세상 아주 word. 야, 비야, then 세상 os loss다라. Then 세상나 then basang o 약 loss. ngala di 계산 소나 로다.
I feel a funny feel, I feel. If you feel the feel, I feel. If I feel the you feel.
Ole, kinda 찍바를 로드라, 찍바를 로드. 당가라 디라. 데니기즘 로다, 데니기즘 딜로다 당가라. kinda di English reading 가는 스타일 나라 English reading. 딜로다.
I feel a funny feel. I
저거나
feel
저거.
if you
저거로.
feel the fun okay.
Yeah, try.
I feel a funny feel. I feel if you feel the feel. I feel if the feel you feel.
Okay. Oslos. Medium. Now who wanna read? Next. Yeah, then gizum la, then dwene lo la, then dwene lo da.
I feel a funny
Faster,
feel.
faster.
I
Didn't
feel.
didn't do it faster.
Okay. I feel a funny feel. I feel if you feel the feel. I feel if I feel the you feel.
Okay, Oslos ra. Yeah, silo next login ye. Next login ye chizo. Yeah, that didn't next chizo silo next login mindura login mini game dang kasangaji chizo lada didn't pass question ye. Last picture last picture chizo didn't dialogue didn't die kan logo day na didn't die na palchi kuma left right. Didn't die reach da.
30.
Ti reach lo didn't die.
I feel a funny feel. I feel if you feel, then I feel if I feel, then you feel.
Okay, yeah, the Oslos ra. I can't read like this. Ngatiro chunzo, you guys are reading very nice, but I can't read first like this. Passing the last in the loda. Passing combo. Yeah, that did the last page loda. I want to read at last of the yellow and talo. Tigan loda. I feel a funny feel. I feel if you feel the feel. I feel if I feel. Then correct. The you feel ra. So you guys are reading better. Okay, nice, ra. Last picture, now see, last picture. Ti gare show jig the yakuta lo. See careful, okay. Here's too much confusion. What it shows, this picture? See carefully, okay. Yakuta, the picture the gare jig do. What it shows? What it means? Ya tinin doni lada.
It looks like ka abada bomo ko gayo another the bomo ka aboga meto.
Ya tinin kizom la tinin doni la sasra. Next line. Next lada. The what this picture means? Tinin pasang chela tinin lamo in the also. Tinin lamo ya tamu tinin pasang lada. Tinin chusang da chusang ma samlo tanga okay. Think lada.
It's a
Tinin pasang
girl.
lada.
It's a girl and a boy, and then the girl is evil, and the boy looks evil, and the girl looks evil, but actually everyone sees that the boy is evil and the girl is evil. I mean the girl is good and the boy is evil, but actually the girl is evil and the boy is evil.
What it means? What it gives lesson to our life.
It means that if you see somebody and you judge, that doesn't mean that it's true.
Yes. That one is very nice. Right. Tinin pasang pe ya wala sa. Next tinin lamo lada.
Minchara apadi drug dealer and hindi pudi yapo yana. Pudi tapa apa la kaya na apa la ki tapa ki niya pu niya apade pu yapo chigi de chama pu kare te ki ni. Ngate tenje pasang nga deme nga minchara ro apadi medo ani do pudi yapo. But pudi yapo yomare. Because body opportunity mendo apala like midday apala la pati mendo apala chichi but apadi opportunity ro khache kharete gido body kola ni apa chamate gido
Pe ya wala sa. Tinin lamo pe ya wala sa. Next lada. Next la lo try no matter. Pindora. If you guys keep silence. It's not good. I don't think it's a good silence. Keep silence is a good. Just think that this classroom is a playground. Okay, so the playground very dangerous. Whatever you have question, ask to me. If you feel bored, ask tell to me. Everything you think, tell to me, okay? Don't keep silence. I hate people who keep silence. Also, 가슴 마대로 현zo question 얘네들이 얘네 옆도 차느라 feel bored 차는 거라 라 허세. Don't think I am a teacher, okay? Don't think I am a teacher. Just I already mentioned that. Just think I am your friend. So whatever you have question or whatever you want to tell, share me, okay? Allah, okay? Here, yeah, pia bora. Tasula next line lada. Active chera de la next line. Next line ye. Tinju dune line lada.
So the picture is actually telling everybody can see what you look like, right? But some people little people knows that you're good or evil.
Okay, ra pia bula. Tinju kisum lada. Tinju dune pia bula sta. Very good. Kin sama pia bulas. Tinju kisum lada. Tinju kisum hagurdi. Tinju kisum digar lagi do. Di advice correct lagi do. English la lada ra. If you are telling English, they also can understand, right? Then you give them English, they explain what it means, this picture. Then you give them, yeah. Mindura, you explain, Jana, Yakutala, I want to explain. Kin Samara, Piakulastara, people who shared their, your points of view is very nice, it was very nice. Now it's my point of view, okay. Actually, then there are different meaning here. You guys have a little right, so I do not wanna tell all things. Just I wanna tell on level of you guys. So it we see this girl is innocent, right? And this boys, this is like we look like he's a very danger. He's a very good. But see on the back side, here's one X. This girl is taking, right? Here's one flower. It means we should not judge easily to other. That as Tenzin Pasang said, right? We should not judge easily to other. Kunjora, the Kunjola best advice Garidela. You should not trust on a stranger. Dire the Kunjola. Kunjo America la stranger gaji the robbery momodo. Kids are trekking in vehicle car na kidu do ti khundu kuma jabra kidu do. So it means that you should not trust on a stranger. A stranger kinjo gana da trust je marda kinjo a stranger gana trust je ra then a stranger then je kinjo gari je lana kuma jan kidu ra then they will kidnap and they will kill at last. Hasan. So whenever you see a stranger on the road or near your door, you should not open the door directly, or you should not help them directly in the street. Also, street counter some robbery are very clever. They will asking to you for help something or I want something. If you help them, then they will take you in the car and they will kidnap you. Okay, so never trust easily to other to unknown people are easily trusted or easily trusted then it will make problem. Also one thing, when a stranger or unknown people are knocking on your door directly your mother if there's your parents, first you should ask to your parents there's someone who's knocking. If you are single in home, you should not open door directly. First you should ask from inside. You should ask who are you, like that. If they said your mom sent me, your father sent me, if they said like this, then you should call to your parents first. Okay, Kosen didn't pass on ladder.
Or you can try to find somewhere, some place, or you can to see who is it, and if you know.
Yes. Yeah, it's nice. Tension on ladder, very good. Tension on ladder.
What if they are knocking to see if somebody's home so they can rob the place?
Yes. Very nice. Ra. Tension chesan dan di tension pasan ye pay awla sara. Kaje gada garje go lane at last whatever. We should use our mind. We should make clever. Also, clever jawar da diga sura full store jena. You will take by robbery also. Kasan de robbery ye picture te ma kenzo da robbery de la yor da picture ta wani kenzo. I wanna show you the picture of robbery.
What should we do if a robber comes? What should we
See
do?
here.
We have to throw a brick down on his head.
I know how to fight martial art. Do you know martial art? I'm martial art teacher. Oh, see, then give us what see then get us some. I'm martial art teacher, so I can fight. Then pass on kin 신기해 martial art 신기해 kinzo. Is anyone of you know martial art currently? No, right? So if robbery come in my home, I can fight. You guys can't, right? So you shouldn't open the door directly. I can open the door directly because I can fight or I can make loose robbery. Okay. If you guys wanna attend my current class, you guys wanna attend my current class, martial art class. I'm taking martial art class. If you guys wanna learn, you can attend class. Tenchi-san, you wanna learn now?
Money.
Yeah, Tenchi-san, attend martial art class learn last tara. Yeah, martial art class la ben na chela martial art class yer dang ya ji. Nge martial art time me khindo nge movie ji yor khin time me. There's one movie of mine. Do you guys watch?
121 Tando.
Okay?
It's 121.
Oh, kinzo di class hasensa sorry. Kinzo di class time di sasashra. So today I didn't teach you nothing, right? Because it's Father's Day, so we should enjoy. I think it's better. Enjoy together in class or in your family is better. I think so. I did like this. Okay. Bye. Enjoy your day. Bye. See you.
Chair.
Okay. Bye. 심전항어. Bye.
지금이 너무 땀 지더니 손은 얘 땀 마실라 돈 마실라